Hi guys, so currently it is 1 p.m. on 20th February 2025, which means business का board exam है परसों, and yesterday I was like freaking out. I got so anxious. I got so anxious that I wasn't able to study for like half of the day. So right now I was revising financial management and financial marketing, and I am almost done with it. I was just revising it. मतलब मैं भूल जाती हूँ, वो चीज़ है, मैं समझ तो मुझे आ गया बट मैं भूल जाती हूँ. That's a different thing, okay? And we have grapes because they're yum. And let's get back to it. Hi guys, my name is Hargun. Welcome to the first episode of Study Diaries Board Exam Edition. So I have the commerce stream and my subjects are business studies, economics, accountancy, mathematics and English. Business studies is that one subject that I can do forever, and as much as I don't like the memorization and cramming part of it, it still is my favorite subject. I don't even know why, but I just find it so interesting and I love it so much. Also, it's like sunset, but it's cloudy. So the sunset is not sunsetting. But I came to the terrace to study. Because अंदर में बोर हो रही थी, हवा की आवाज़ बहुत आ रही होगी because हवा बहुत चल रही है. So 1 week before the board exam, I actually started putting all my time into business studies. उसके पहले जो भी हमारे pre-boards, exams, everything that happened, I studied for that as well. And just in case you're wondering what sample papers I'm using OSWAL sample papers. ये मैंने 10th में भी use किए थे and they were quite helpful. After writing 3-4 sample papers, I realized कि कुछ ऐसे topics हैं जो मेरे दिमाग में अभी तक register नहीं हुए हैं. So I had to revise again. And the day before the board exam, I revised like 3 times the whole syllabus. भाई क्या बात है. As much as I've been stressed during this whole time, a few things that have been keeping me sane this whole time is having a study buddy, talking to my mom about whatever has been stressing me out, going for daily walks. But also just remember that it's okay to take breaks and your body and mind needs that. So, hi. It is currently 8 o'clock at night. Of course, क्योंकि morning तो जा चुकी है, morning वापस नहीं आएगी. मतलब मॉर्निंग कल आएगी, बट एनीवेज आज की मॉर्निंग नहीं आएगी. And of course everyone is as stressed as ever, like all my friends, not all my, probably, I don't even know. I did like 3 sample papers in the morning and then I was like no, I need to revise क्योंकि होता तो है नहीं है. So let's get back to it. I'm like a V stressed. Seriously. I hope it goes well. Of course, feed my messy bed. Cannot even speak. Anyways. I just got back from the exam like 5-10 minutes ago. What an exam! Like way easier than I expected it to be. And I completed the paper in like almost 2 hours, and then I spent like an hour editing it, underlining it and this and that. I was like, चुप होकर और शांति से तो मुझसे बैठा नहीं जाएगा, तो यही कुछ तो है, कब करना ही पड़ेगा. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and all the best for all the future exams because I have maths in 2 weeks. So 2 weeks, quite a lot of time. But anyways, hopefully it goes well as well. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.